So as we continue along with our project, we're finding still quite a lot of rot. This damage here is completely from termites. You can see termite damage, but they're not here today. It's just been years of them eating on it and getting in dismay. But as you can see, this bottom seal right over the flume or the water chamber box has completely rotted. Now they have, because Dad and I have looked, I wish you could see it, but from right here, this post that way has been replaced in the past. From this way back over, cantering back over the overflow here was more than likely original, but you can see right here just how rotten this whole entire beam is. It's completely gone. Not much we can do about it except for break it to pieces and replace it. Best part about having a sawmill is we've already cut the 10x10 beam that we're going to place from this side of the wall back over here, replace it fully, be able to jack back up our floor joists, make everything level and pretty and nice. And just really and truly all we're trying to do is keep this building alive for future generations, because this is stuff right here that's disappearing from the U.S. today. On this job site, it's all about restoring and preservation.